Got a gas tank off a 900rr. It's got a huge dent in it. We're gonna be pulling this out and getting it fixed. Got it all ground down. I'm gonna be using a stud welder on this. So I'm gonna throw compressed air down in it while I'm doing this. This tank is dry and it doesn't really smell, but you never know. Just welding some studs on there, and then we'll pull it out with the slide hammer. That's just an air blower. I throw it in the tank, throw some air in there while I'm welding those studs on. So this is round one. It's starting to come out. We'll pull these off and we'll put a new set on and keep going from there. So just wanted to show on the second round here, the dent is really starting to come out. The goal is to fix this with like hardly any plastic filler or anything. And that is pretty much out now. We'll have to fine tune it a little bit. There's a low spot here that I can't get out, so I'm just adding a little metal to it. Then I'll grind that down until I got it filled. Got the tank all stripped down. Just looking for some other dents. Found some here or there. Got a thin coat of finishing glaze putty on there. Next is, after straightening that, is some etch primer, and then we'll get it primed up. 3 coats of primer. Gonna sand it down and see if it's ready for paint or if it needs some more primer. Down. It's ready for all the decals. I'm gonna start masking the blue off. I have another tank here to get all the measurements off of. It's nice to save an OEM painted tank because it also tells you how much clear to put on. But we're gonna start masking that off and get it ready for spraying the blue. So I want to show something. You got to put a lot of clear on these because you got to actually sand this smooth when you go to put these on. Because if you look, this overlaps through there. And if you don't have enough clear on it, it has a stepped look to it that just doesn't look right. Got all my measurements and markings. Got the wings on. So it looks just like that one over there. So I mentioned in the other video that this has to be smooth because right here, if it's not smooth, it has like a warpy step look to it and it's just not right. From the factory, these were all one piece. Looks brand new again. Got it all painted up. So it was white, 3 coats of clear, then I did the blue, then we cleared it twice. Then we put this decal on and we cleared it twice. And then we put the wings on, cleared it again, gave it a light buff.